Are you thinking about buying from Comfort Fit Boutique? Hold up. Let's talk before you hit that checkout button. I've got some red flags you seriously can't ignore. First, let's clear up the confusion. There are tons of sites with names like Comfort, Comfort Fit, or even Comfort Fit. Most of them? Total copycats. Here's what I found. These shops are notorious for stealing photos and videos from legit brands, then selling you something that barely looks like the pictures, if it arrives at all. People are waiting months for shipping, chasing fake tracking numbers, or getting stuck with junk they can't return. And don't expect customer service to swoop in and save the day. Most of these sites don't even have a phone number. Worried about getting your money back? You should be. These scammers might ask you to pay with PayPal friends and family. A huge red flag because you can't get a refund that way. Always stick with credit cards or standard PayPal so you can fight back if things go south. Now, how do you spot a fake? Check the details. Real Comfort hoodies never have drawstrings, and the authentic ones come with a white neck tag that says Comfort with a positive message on the back. Only trust social media accounts with a blue check mark and an official link in the bio. If you want real comfort and zero scam drama, I recommend shopping with verified brands like Comfort, the official one, Blue Bungalow, or FitFlop. These retailers have thousands of honest reviews and deliver what they promise. So, before you buy, remember, take 2 minutes to double-check the site.